Hey guys, some of you asked me in the comments about Pixelmator Pro for Windows. Unfortunately, this software is only available for Apple computers, and there's no plan to release this on Windows. Moreover, recently Apple itself offered to buy the company that owns the software, so that will probably happen very soon. They even put this announcement here at the very top on the official page that Pixelmator team plan to join Apple, so that would be very much Apple exclusive software. And I already noticed some scammy apps advertising themselves as Pixelmator Pro for Windows. I found even one for Android, and careful about that. All of them are just fake viruses or whatever they put in those fake apps. Don't download them. There's some links you can find in Google. There are even some videos that put links in the descriptions. All of that is fake. All right, here I am on the official website in 2025, and as you can see, if you click buy, it's take you straight to the App Store for Mac. All right, so keep that in mind. It's available only for Apple systems, and that's it. And they're going soon be joining like the Apple family. They'll be like first party software from Apple. So sorry, it's only Apple version, and careful about all of those fake apps. Don't download them. Some kind of scary shady stuff inside them. All right, thank you for today. This was just a warning video. See you next time.